Nope.
Oh, no,
Hang
I'm sorry,
on.
I'm
Not
sitting
ready
on
yet.
You broke rule 1.
Is that on a rope?
Black cleat.
Sorry.
Okay, there we go. Ready.
A rope, that's right, it's not a
You
rope.
ready, Kevin?
Ready.
That's good.
Okay.
Still ready.
Say Helms Ali. Helms Ali.
Helms Ali.
Now turn. Nice turn. Go ahead, keep turning her. You've got to get all the way over here.
This time you want the sail to go to the other side.
Yep, you want it to go through. Keep going. Right now, a little more. One more turn. A little more. Okay. That's great. Comes the sail. That's good. Keep going. Good. You want the main to go too. Good. Very well. Still got it. Right. Too far down.
I think you're going to have to buy Ethan a sailboat.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. Keep going. Keep turning.
Nice of Dave. Bring a collar.
That's right.